Hello, the main objective of our Rube Goldberg is hammering a nail. First, put we will put the marble here, and it will fall here into there, and it will fall into this tube, causing the tube to turn sideways and fall, and the marble to fall in this obstacle. And then after that, it will exit here and go into the cup. Then the cup will be pushed and the domino will be pulled, causing it to fall into the other dominoes. And when this domino falls, it will pull this domino and the ball will fall into this tube and into this tube, and then it will fall into this hole, which leads to a spoon connected to this card. When the golf ball falls into the spoon will move and cause the string to be pulled, and the card will somehow go down, and the marble will roll into this path, and then it will go into this basket, and the basket will slide down and hit this stick, and then the stick would push the stapler, and the stapler would fall. And as the stapler falls, this CD case would fall alongside and push this CDs and this book, and then it would fall with the handle, and then as the handle falls, it would pull this stopper, and then the ball will roll down into this ruler, and the ruler would push the can, and then the can would fall into the book. That causes it to move slightly and release the hammer, and would cause the hammer to hammer the nail.